everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be planning in my Happy Planner Classic for the week of May 25th through the 31st. Oh my goodness, I cannot believe we're at the end of another month. Even in these strange times, time seems to be going by quickly. The theme I'm going to use for this week's layout is girl power or feminism. I think the Happy Planner sticker book that I got these out of are from the Empower Women collection. So I thought for some different contrast for this layout I would go with this black washi tape that has kind of a colored diamond pattern on it. Okay, I think that looks good. For my big quote sticker, I've pulled this one that says, "Get it, girl!" Okay, so now that I have my foundation kind of laid down, I'm going to go ahead and start adding in my task boxes for each day. And here I know I'm going to have a board meeting, so I'll put that here. Put this here's a little reminder to work in my planner. I love these big ampersand signs. Let's see what I can do with this. Something a little different. Okay, I think this turned out pretty well. I'm excited to see what it looks like after the pen, because I'm going to use black ink. So I'm thinking the black ink is going to go bring out the washi tape that's black. But yeah, I think that, I mean, I really love this sticker collection. It's probably my second favorite after the LOL Sarcastic. I'm all about pro-womanhood. I love being a girl. I think women are awesome. I think women can rule the world. And so I love celebrating those themes in a layout. So if you like this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. And if you want to see more content that I post, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I really appreciate it. Until next time, thanks guys. Bye.